Alright, today's featured Lightroom preset is inspired by the Agfa Portrait 160. We're going to take a look at that and play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's take a look at our raw file first. ISO 100, 105mm f4, and I dropped the exposure half stop. And we're going to open up our presets. We're going to go down to the FE. This is the beginning of the film emulation folders. This one has some nice profiles mixed in. I'll show you that in one moment. We're going to go all the way down. Portrait 160, and there we go, before and after, and you have different variations, cinematic look, but let's go with the top one right here. You can also adjust it here, but I'm going to keep it right at 100, and you'll notice that you have a profile loaded in. Let's take a look. The profile is pulling from Chroma Glow, and we've got the grade. Cool thing is you can always swap it out with any of these profiles, but let's use this grade. It's currently at 11. There's 0, so if you just want the preset, you can do that. But look what happens there. You can add this cinematic grade just to warm things up. And there we go. Before and after, remember we dropped the exposure half a stop. It was a little overexposed. Alright, again, that was a quick look at our featured Lightroom preset inspired by the Portrait 160. You can get that in the Creative Flow, which includes over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.